Hey y'all, it's Mary. Happy Mask Monday. Y'all, I've been filming for like 7 minutes. No joke. I was laughing. Blue would not settle down. He's right here. And he was making me laugh and I was laughing. I thought that was all on film. I thought it was cute to be cute. But anyway, y'all, I put this mask on. I did that all on camera, but not really because I didn't have it on. It happens to us sometimes. I'm wearing this fabulous Avant mask. Now this mask is from London. Avant is an English company, very high-priced skincare. And these masks, I believe, were about $24 or $25 each. I got a pack of 3. I think I got them in Boxy, y'all. Did I get them in Boxy or did I buy them from Ipsy because they were on sale? I think I don't remember. I don't remember. It was recent. It was not too long ago. But anyway, okay. It fits very nice. It doesn't feel like it's anything necessarily special, compared to most masks. It's the mask. So I could never pay this much for it. It says to leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. The packaging itself has all kinds of information that it's really, if you see how that is, this is how all of their packaging is, the letters, and you've got to try to figure out these words. It says hyaluronic, centellas, see, I can't, because it's broken up and whatever. It's okay. The name of the mask is Centifolia Rose Radiance Capturing Mask, okay? And it's very nice. What I was saying is Avant products that I've experienced, always very nice. They're nice. But they smell very strong. This smells very, very strong. It smells of rose. I like rose. I know a lot of y'all don't like rose, but I do. But it's too strong for my face. That's what I gotta say about it. That's what I say about Avant. Their products are too strongly scented for me. But this feels, but as far as it being on my face, I'll be taking this off in 15 to 20 minutes, so it's okay. If it is a moisturizer from them, that stays on your face, all day or all night. It's hard maybe to sleep with that unless like a scent would help you fall asleep for a nighttime mask. See, that's rolled down a little bit from my fault. But it does fit very, very nicely on the skin. Hey, Smudge, come on, say hey. Anyway, so that is my mask. I wish I had that, the beginning of this when I was laughing with Blue. Okay, anyway, I have some friend mail, and I might do something else here too. This is really nice. There are addresses, Angie's address is on the front, so I'm not going to show you that, but look at this cute, this is a stamp, a wax stamp. It says Happy Mail. And then on the front, I'll cover up Angie's address. This is Angie's reviews, and it's very nice. Let me cover. Very nice, it says, and it says scratch and sniff, and it really does smell like strawberry. Of course, I've already done that. It smells like strawberry. Thank you, Angie. That's so cute. So cute. Anyway, I wasn't expecting a card. Angie didn't tell me she was sending a card. Angie has a channel, and Angie does all kinds of reviews. I've known Angie a good while, a few years at least, and Angie does all kinds of reviews. And recently I've been seeing a lot of her commenting on my channel, and I went to her channel. I hadn't been to her channel in a little while, and I was no longer subscribed. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we all are talking about when we try to explain to y'all that YouTube can knock you off of people's channels. I've known Angie, I'd say at least 2 years, if not longer, and I was knocked off of her channel. So it's frustrating to me. It's frustrating to me. So I'm sorry, Angie, that I was not subscribed to you. I am now. And I did cut the top open. This envelope is very nice. It's very nice, like linen fabric, linen paper. Oh, how pretty is that? That looks handmade. That's handmade. Look at that, y'all. It says Angie Jones. It's signed Angie Jones at the bottom. And it's beautiful, Angie. It's a card. It's a card. And this is a very nice cardstock. Oh, Angie, that is beautiful. She's very talented. This is beautiful. Angie does all kinds of reviews of products, movies, gaming, you know, things like that. And that is beautiful, Angie. Look at how talented you are. I love that. So there is this fabulous caterpillar and this kitty. I love that, Angie. Thank you. All right, let's see what it says inside. Looking at her handwriting is beautiful too. Mary Catherine, hello. I just wanted to send you a handmade card and let you know how much I enjoy your personality. Oh, thank you, Angie. You're so sweet. I hope you have a lovely day. I wish I could send you some goodies, but all I could do was paint you a card. Angie, this is way more meaningful than things. I love that. I will be keeping that, and I am going to look into framing that because you made that for me. I love that. It's beautiful. It says, I hope you like it. Angie Jones, Angie's Reviews on YouTube. I love that, Angie. It's beautiful. Thank you so much. I just love it. I love it. It's I would call it, I think this is called a watercolor. My sister's an artist, so, but I've never had art talent. But yeah, that looks like a watercolor. I love it. And here's the thing you don't know about me, Angie. Of course, I'm a cat lover. But when I was a kid, or, you know, in high school and, you know, do silly things, we would keep journals and daily kind of journals like a lot of people keep now and decorate them. And I had a little character. I wrote a book and I made this character that was a caterpillar. His name is Sydney. And my sister, who's the artist, I just made Sydney, and then my sister made the backgrounds and stuff. So yeah, so Sydney and a kitty. I love that, Angie. Thank you so much for thinking of me. Thank you for sending that. That is beautiful. You're so sweet. Thank you. So I'll put Angie below, y'all, if y'all would like to go over and see her and check out some of her reviews. So I also thought it might be a little fun to do some this or that's for spring, because it really is spring now. Spring, you know, happened last week, and Easter's happened now, so it's really spring. So I thought maybe we could do a couple of this or that's. So I just made a couple up, and I looked up online, you know, try to figure some out. So anyway, let's see. Picnic or grilling out? I like them both. I probably would grill out before I would get on the ground. I'm getting old, y'all. Try to get down on the ground and get back up again when you get my age. You think, oh, that's never going to happen to me. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Sunshine or showers? I love a beautiful rain shower, but I also used to love storms. In Chicago, storms just are storms. They're just rain. Rain is beautiful. I love to be on like a screened-in porch or a porch where you can hear it and watch it and maybe sit and read a book. But here, it doesn't seem to ever just rain. It always has to be storms involved, and the storms do damage. Knock down trees, knock out electricity, you know, hit houses and stuff. So definitely sunshine. And I need sunshine. I need sunshine every day. It's, you know, it's my gasoline. I need it. And I don't always get it, you know. It makes my day if there's sunshine. Lemonade or iced tea? Now, I do like both, but I would drink iced tea more than I would drink lemonade. One of my favorite things is an Arnold Palmer, which is half iced tea and half lemonade. That's really good together. I like that. Hiking or kayaking? And y'all, I have a lot of friends, a lot of people here kayak because we have some beautiful rivers and things, beautiful waters here. But I don't think I could kayak. Maybe when I was younger, maybe not, you know, because there are some snakes on the waters here. There might be an alligator or two, but not as bad as the South. We don't really have a lot of alligators here. People hardly see them, but there's a couple have been spotted. I'm in northern Alabama, so they're working their way up a little bit. And hiking, of course, you can run into anything, mountain lion or whatever. But if it's during the day and you're with people, I much prefer to hike. I do like hiking. Kayaking, I just don't know if I could do it. I'm a big person. I know big people kayak, so don't come at me for that. But I'm just thinking about getting into that thing, and your legs are in there, and you're tight in there, which is okay if you know what you're doing. And I do know how I have rowed boats before. I've been in many different kinds of boats. But I just think that I couldn't handle it. I might be able to do it and then get back to shore, and then I would not be able to get out of that kayak. That's what I'm pretty sure would happen to me. Okay. Butterflies or birds. Oh, I love, love, love when spring first starts. You know, here, I think everywhere we have birds all year, but more so, they all come back. The ones that have left, that don't stay, come back in the spring, and you see these beautiful, like clouds of birds flying and, migrating. It's so beautiful. And I love to hear the birds. I love hearing the birds. And I love that all the time, every day. But butterflies, you don't see butterflies every day like you see birds. So I love seeing butterflies. They're so beautiful. They just remind me very much of a dear friend of mine that passed away. And I just love to see butterflies. Would you rather do a nature scavenger hunt or a bike ride? And y'all, I have not ridden a bike in a long time. I do like to bike ride, but I haven't done it in a long time. So this is one of those, if it was a beautiful day and we were out hiking, I'd love to do a nature scavenger hunt. So that's hard to pick on that one. Daffodils or tulips. See, I don't know why I'm doing this, because this is too hard for me, y'all. How do you pick between flowers? I love all flowers. I love all flowers. I love all animals. I don't like snakes. Daffodils or tulips. So I have daffodils on my property. Quite a few, and different ones. I have yellow ones. I have white ones. I have the ones that are part yellow, part white. I have some that are different shades of yellow. I used to have tulips when I first moved here, and I'm not sure what happened, if the bulbs got eaten or what happened, but I could plant some, but I don't have any tulips that I can think of right now, because they would have already bloomed already. Daffodils last longer once they bloom. Umbrella or hats. Of course, in day to day, I use an umbrella if it's raining, but when I would walk Buddy, a hat was wonderful to have, because to have the leash and everything, and him, and to hold an umbrella, almost impossible. So definitely wear a rain hat with him, because when you have a dog and you have to walk them, if you don't have a yard to just open the door and let them out in, which I do have a yard, but I don't have a fenced yard. Plus, when I did fence in part of the yard, he jumped right over. He went right over the 5-foot fence. He got right out. So I would, you have to walk them, whether you have the flu or whether you are, super duper sick, or whether it's a tornado outside. You have to walk your dog. So there you go. Gardening or lounging in a lounge chair. I love a beautiful garden. I love it, but I'm not good at it. I'm not good at it. So I'd be out there sitting in the lounge chair while everybody else is working. I would find something to do. I like to plant pots, in the springtime, plant some pots to put out like on the steps and stuff, but actually to work in a garden or to that kind of stuff, I don't mind mowing, but I am not a gardener. I'm not. And then the last is this or that is spring or summer. And I don't like summer, y'all. I love summer for the sun. I love summer for everything is green. But it's too hot here. It's way too hot here. So I love spring. I love the beginnings of spring, where some days are cool, some days are warm. And like I said earlier, the birds are singing, and I leave my back door open and I've got the screen on, and the cats are looking out and listening to the birds, and the flowers start popping up, and the trees that have flower, the blooming trees, have the flowers on them. I have several beautiful blooming trees. I have a dogwood that is blooming right now, and I have my snowball bush in the back that's blooming, and I just love all that. I love all that. So yeah, I really like that. So anyway, y'all, I hope that you've had a wonderful Easter. I hope you had a great weekend, and I hope you have a great week this week. And do something to take care of yourself, whether if it's not today, tomorrow, over the weekend, you know, Wednesday, pick a day every week where you do something, maybe a mask. You can do this more than once a week. You can do this every day if you want to. You just have to find the time. You have to take the time for yourself, because if you don't, no one else will. So do that for yourself, y'all. Take care and count your blessings. All right, bye-bye, y'all. Well, I found a couple of tulips.